If you've forgotten your password or you need to change it, you can follow these simple instructions to reset your password. On the home screen of our website, click Login, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. Then click on the Forgot Password link. Enter your username, which is usually your email address, and the captcha letters and numbers. Then click on the Send Password Reset link. You will see a small note pop up to say your request was successful. Check your email inbox for an email from us and click the link in the email. This opens a web page. Key your new password and once done, click Save. Your password is now reset and you will be taken to your account summary page. From here you can view your account or go anywhere within the site. Thanks for listening.